Calling me home, through the fire and snow. Voices of the north, in the cold wind blow.
Shadows in the night, but the stars still glow. If I fall tonight, let the whole world know.
We're sent back up to the truck and the cloud. We just got in the truck and the clouds come back out. 2-pack, 8-pack, all landing. I'm like, all right, we gotta get back out there.
All the sands are lined with dirt from long days in the field. Another sands are serving meals in a cafe on Main Street with miles to feed.
Yeah, you don't get many days like this. Man, this is a good one.
It's so bad, it's so bad, it's too bad, it's too bad, too late, so wrong, so long. It's too bad.
Let's go, man! That's what we do it for right there!
Let's walk, let's talk, let's go. You left without saying goodbye. Although I'm sure you tried, you call the house from time to time.
Kill him, guys.
Make sure we're alive. But you weren't there, right when I needed you the most. And now I dream about it. And now it's so bad, it's so bad, it's too bad, it's too bad, too late, so wrong, so long. Too bad we had no time to rewind. Let's walk, let's talk. It's so bad, it's too bad, it's too bad, it's too late, so wrong, so long. Too bad we had no time to rewind. Let's walk, let's talk.
Kill him, guys.
All the sands lined with guilt for tearing us apart. Guess it turned out
Kill him, guys.